Hello everyone. In today's video solution, we are going to look at how you can control the access management in Magento admin panel for the different users basically. So Magento allows you to create the roles. Okay. So if you go to system and then user roles, you will see a by default role which is created by the Magento is administrator role, which can access every section of your Magento admin panel basically. So if you want to create the custom role and give the only the permissions to catalogs, okay, so you need to create a new role for that. So create a new role and give a role name over here as, let's say, catalog and sales, and you need to input your current identity, user identity verification, which you need to do. So let me input it. So this is a current user password that you will have to put, and go to the user resources, and you can give actually all if you want. So we don't want all, we want only the sales to be accessible. Okay, so all the sales will get accessible, maybe a dashboard, and we want a catalog to be accessible. So these three we have given access to. Okay, then go ahead and save the roles. Once your role has been saved, you will get to see that role over here. Okay, now you can go ahead and add a new user basically. So you can go to the all users and you can add a new user here. I'm adding one test user. So again, your current identity password, user password you'll have to put. So done. Now go to the user role. Now you'll see that catalog and sales is getting listed over here along with the administrator. So you can select it and save this particular user. Okay. So once the user has been saved, it will get listed here. So this is our user, test user. So let's log in with the test user and see. So if you see now in the dashboard area, it has only access to these particular sections or the modules of the Magento in the admin panel basically. So you can go to product catalog categories, and you can go to the sales menus basically. Okay, so this is it. This is how you can do the access control in Magento. Thank you.